Now dear student, we are going to solve question number 4.2, and in this question it is given to you a long straight wire carries a current of 35 ampere. What is magnitude of magnetic field at a point 20 centimeter from the wire? Clear? So now we can see, let's suppose this is a straight wire. Clear? And let's suppose this is a long straight wire. Long straight wire means we can say this is going up to infinity. Clear? In this question it is given that a current of 35 ampere it is flowing. So let's suppose current that is flowing here I, this is equal to 35 ampere. Clear? Now our objective in this question is to calculate magnitude of magnetic field at B. Clear? So let's suppose we want to find magnetic field at this point B, that is at 20 centimeter from wire. So 20 centimeter from wire. Now dear student, do you know what is formula of magnetic field due to a long straight current carrying wire? Clear? It is given by B, this is equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi r. Clear? So from where this formula is derived, we can say actually from Biot-Savart law we know this is given by mu naught I over 4 pi r. I can say this is sine of theta 1 plus sine of theta 2. Now we can say from this point B, if we see, because this is a very long wire, so I can say this angle is 90 and this angle is also 90 degree. Clear? So we can say here we have angle 190 and 90, so I can put here theta 1 equal to 90 and theta 2 equal to 90. Clear? So I can say this is given by mu naught I upon 4 pi r, and this is sine 90 plus sine 90. Clear everyone? So from here we can say this is equal to 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So we can say this is given by mu naught I divided by 2 pi r. Clear? So like this we can derive this formula of magnetic field due to a long wire, and we are calculating this magnetic field at a distance r from this straight wire. Clear? So now concentrate, now come to the solution of this question. Okay, always keep in mind magnetic field is a vector quantity. It is always associated with direction. Clear? So now we can say first how can we find here direction? Actually direction of a magnetic field is determined by using right hand thumb rule. Clear? So we can say, if we say thumb indicate the direction of a current, at that time we can say curling finger represent direction of magnetic field. So I can say magnetic field direction is given by this cross. Clear? Clear? What I am saying to you, direction of this magnetic field is represented by cross. It means perpendicular inward. Clear? So now I can calculate here value of magnetic field, value of mu naught. This is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 into current that is flowing in this wire. We have 35 divided by, we can say 2 pi and multiply value of r. Value of r is given 20 into 10 to the power minus 2. Clear? So from here we can say this value is 2. Clear? So we can say 70 into 10 to the power minus 7 divided by 20 into 10 to the power minus 2. Clear? From here we can say this one and this one cancelled out. From here you can say this is 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. Clear to everyone? So from here we can say magnetic field at a point P, that is at a point any point you can say, let's suppose we are saying P. So magnetic field at point P at a distance 20 centimeter from this long straight wire, it is given by 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. Clear? So this is all about this question.